Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and I am getting out an order today. If you don't know who I am, I'm Sherry, owner and designer of Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. I am working, well, I was supposed to be getting this order out, but as soon as I come into my room, I start to play. I had been wanting to do this experiment with these earrings that I get from the wholesaler that I mentioned in another video. So I wanted to cut out the Adinkra symbols in these earrings, and I'm just very happy with the way the first pair came out. This pair, it didn't seem like the design was showed up well enough on the dark brown earrings for this one. So I decided to do it again on a lighter pair. Do you see that flame? This is why whenever I'm working on this Glowforge, I stand right over it and I watch it. And I have all of my emergency fire blankets and all of that stuff in case something goes left on these machines, because there have been situations where these machines have caught on fire, and I'm not having I'm not having that at my place. Oh, I really am happy with the way that this lighter pair is coming out. Oh, it just looks so good. And this is the Adinkra symbol for knowledge. So it's beautiful. And after playing, I finally get to doing what I came in here to do, which was to get my order out. The order was for 6 pairs of the Denim Blanks. So when I do a material like denim or any material, I put masking tape on it before I cut it. That way it doesn't get that burned look on it. So I'm always happier with the way that they look, but it's just kind of a pain taking this masking tape off. So it's, I just kind of go get it done. In fact, I was thinking about going live while I was doing this so I could have somebody to talk to, but I decided to just go ahead and just record and not go live. Do you see the little teardrop pieces on the table? Though that comes out of the middle of the ankh, and what I do is I put an earring hole in it. So I always include that with the ankhs, so that gives you another design element that you can use. You could use it as a stud and hang something from it, or you could put your earring findings in the top. So it's just something extra. I like to always give more than is expected to my customers, because I just really appreciate the support. And the lady that made this order, she is really supporting. So I just try to really bless her. In fact, I put a pair of the earrings that I had that I painted, and I put them up for one day for $10. I said, that's what I'm going to start doing. The things that I make, I'm probably just going to put them up for a good price, and hope that they sell quickly. Well, I said that I had those earrings up for one day, but I forgot to take them down. And she snatched them up. So she's on the case, man. I love it. These denim ankhs sell really good, and there's a lot of different things that you can do with them. So if you want to pick them up, let me know. I don't know if I'll have a link in the description, but you can go to my Shopify store, my website, and search for them, and you can find them. I have lots of different earring blanks. I am very interested in helping you to make some money. That's really my focus on my channel and on my website. I don't have as many earrings and things as I used to, because I am focusing more on earring blanks and supplies for makers, because I want to get them to you at a really reasonable price so that you can really make some money. That is my goal. Okay, I'm done with this part, so I can pack them up and get them ready to ship out. I'm happy with the way that these are fitting in this little box. So I'm able to get all 6 pair in there. Very neat. And now I can put the other little pieces in there too, and it'll all fit. The next part of the order are the denim disc beads. They are 2 1/4 inches around, and they have a hole in the middle. You can get them with a hole in the middle or a hole in the top. They're good for making pendants because the wood is a little bit thick. I think I use a 1/4 inch wood on this, so it's nice and sturdy, and they just make great pendants. There's 6 in a set, and what I do is, if I have extra wood, I'll cut some other pieces. So in this case, I cut the 6 disc beads, and then I cut some other smaller pieces that she can use to make earrings with. That way, if she wanted to make some pendant and earring sets, she would have plenty to use. So I just always like to give something extra, because I so appreciate the support of people. You know, we're all in business, and we're all trying to reach our goals. And so my goal is to help you make as much money as you can. That's why I have stopped focusing so much on earrings, selling earrings myself. I'm focusing on supplies and things to help you to make some money. Now these earrings after I made them, I put them on the site for $10. I said, you know, somebody should just snatch these up really quick, because they are worth way more than $10. And she snatched them up. So good for her. And then I put them in the box, and then I forgot to put her the extra pair of earrings that I'm sending. I'm getting these babies packed up. Gonna put my mailing label on the front. Here's a tip. I always take a photo of my package, because even though, you know, there's a tracking number and all that, I've had situations where things didn't end up where they were supposed to. And I always want to have the proof that I did my part. All right, good people, you know the drill. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.